Hey class, it's Rosalinda here. So, what small systems have I been a member of throughout my lifetime? And to be quite honest with you, I haven't been a part of any or a member of any small systems. But I also would have to ask, how many members is a small systems? Because if you say it's two people, then I would tell you that I'm part of, but just reality is a friend and I, who are wanting to go to the gym who are going to the gym 3 times a week and really just motivating each other to be healthier, and especially during this winter time where it's cold and all we want to do is be in bed, or not in bed, but in our house all nice and warm, and just living a healthier lifestyle. um so but if that does not count as a small systems group, then I would tell you we're in our recruiting phase. No, but in all honesty, like I said, I've never really been in part of any small systems. I think the closest thing would be attending the university. I was a part of the Stryker Institute program, which was a group of maybe 40, 35, 30 to 40 women who were all non traditional, um, you know, and it was about just sharing each other's experiences, our stories, and knowing that we came and we were all from these different types of backgrounds, but here we were working to work towards one common goal, which was furthering our education, and just listening to each other's stories, and just encouraging and empowering one another to learn from these experiences and grow from them. Leadership was something also that was huge, developing our leadership skills, and you know discovering what were our greatest strengths, and or what are yeah, what were our greatest strengths, and also how to connect with the community. um, and for work purposes, I am part of the community transition team, which is a group of individuals who we all work with youth. And so there's some who work with youth in the foster system, other people who work with youth in the school setting. For example, I work with individuals or with youth with disabilities. So we get together, like I said, once a month, and update each other on where our programs are at, and also talk about where is our community, where are the gaps, what are the gaps that we see as far as programs and services, and how can we ourselves fill in those gaps or those needs for the youth. um so reflecting back, what have I learned, or how have these being a member of these groups, how have they shaped me? I would say they definitely I have grown to utilize my strengths in the work setting, as far as developing those relationships, networking with organizations, you know um, systems advocacy, also learning learning how to um, know the in and outs of the system. Um, so what frightens me? Um, I don't. I'm not the groups so much don't frighten me. Uh, in fact, I also have a a youth support group that meets once a month up in Carbon Valley. But something that I would say does frighten me is working with families, um, more or so with children, which is something that I avoided as long as I could in my internship, but the time has come where I have to, start working with children and families. And I think one of the reasons that it frightens me is because I don't know how to approach them or how to engage with children. Um, and I also learned that a lot of the times it's not the parents who, I mean, sorry, it's not the child who is the problem, it's the parents. And I guess just learning to work with them is what really frightens me. So that's something I would like to get out of this class is learning what approaches are out there. What interventions can I utilize to work with these with families, and also, just learn how to be diverse, I guess, because in a sense that one intervention or one approach is not going to work. It's not going to be the same for one family as it is for another. So yeah, that's what I like to get out of this class. So until next time.